what's up, honeycrunchers? By the way, I'm Jham and welcome back to my channel, honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'm reviewing BornPrettyStore's holographic stamper with rainbow handle. As you can see, its handle has a multichrome finish and the holographic stamper head is just mesmerizing. Now let's try the product. I'm using a white regular nail polish for today. Wow, now it really picked up the image perfectly. Now I'll be filling the sprinkle-like shapes with colors. Then set it aside to dry. Now I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail. Wait for it to dry a bit, then stamp the design. Then do the cleanup. And after that, I applied my favorite top coat. The multichrome handle is as beautiful as the holographic stamper head. Plus, the stamper head is super gorgeous because it's holographic and it's squishy and it's very sticky. Wanna check out this product? The link is available on the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!